Al Shorts, short news in 30 seconds. Well, one question that is bothering everyone during COVID-19 pandemic is what life might look like in the near future. Well, we will try to answer that question for you. While most of the countries are battling a fight against COVID 19, the question still remains: will anyone be shaking hands with each other again? How will people do grocery shopping? How will factories operate in near future? To cut it short, what does the new normal looks like?
Let's see how shops and non essential businesses will operate. Both of these store types will have to follow the same social distancing and hygiene measures, which is generally seen in super and hypermarkets. This might include short queues at the stores, one way systems, and use of plastic screens at tills. It also seems like masks and gloves will remain trending to ensure public safety.
Let's talk about factories. It seems that only those people will be allowed in the factories who cannot operate remotely. For instance, machinery staff, maintenance department, operating staff, and so on. However, companies might feel some pressure to maintain the well being of their employees. This means some of the factories will change the floor layouts, measuring temperatures constantly, sanitizing the floor every week, 1.5-meter social distancing rule, and so on. Seems tough, but this is definitely going to be the part of new normal. After all, employees matter the most.
Restaurants, cafes, and pubs. Redesigning dining rooms and spaces may be the way out for customer facing businesses like pubs, cafes, and restaurants. Nonetheless, an emphasis will be given on increasing the frequency of hand washing and surface cleaning, as well as minimizing access to walk in pantries, fridges, and freezers.
What is going to really happen in the schools? Schools will definitely face a tougher challenge as kids are more vulnerable to this infection. New normal in schools will include reducing class sizes and students along with staggered breaks and lunchtime. Students will not be allowed to share their items, food, books, or anything with each other. Schools might get rid of paper books and notebooks and switch to digital notebooks to reduce exchanging items among students and teachers.
Meeting friends and relatives. Well, you may not want to hug your close friends and family members for some time at least. Wearing masks and gloves all the time will definitely be the part of a new normal. Rather than showing off a new shade of lipstick to your friends and family, you might want to fashion up your mask instead.
Visiting salons. One thing is for sure. You are never going to enter any salon or hairstylist if the place is packed with people. Prior appointments will become a mandatory rule in your stylist will have to wear a mask and gloves at all times while attending any client.
Flights and traveling. The fact still remains that flights and airlines have witnessed a huge loss due to the COVID 19 pandemic. The new normal might not be very enticing to the people as they might not wish to travel in a completely booked flight. Some of the passenger seats will remain empty on purpose, and wearing PPE might become mandatory during this new normal. Temperature checks, masks, and gloves will remain intact till the time you cross the baggage claim counter and exit from the airport doors.
Sports. People might not be able to watch their favorite football team on the ground for some time, but rather enjoy it on their television screen. Sports will be played behind the doors for some time. Players will also miss the enthusiasm from their fans, while fans will just enjoy the match digitally with a big bucket of popcorns.
Let's face it, the new normal might not look very exciting, but it will be important for survival. One thing is for sure, people will have to get used to a new normal with social distancing measures set to remain in place for some time at least. Whether we like it or not, we have to adapt to the new routines and schedules which keep us breathing and happy.
Absolutely. Till the time we are still fighting this battle, let's just follow the safety measures so that you do not see your name in the active cases in your country tomorrow. Keep watching Alshot's videos while staying safe at home. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Alshots, short news in 30 seconds.